Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how you can stop your junk mails on the iPad. So if we get inside the mail app, first of all, you're going to be in the regular inbox in here. For example, let me go to the all mail, and if you get some emails which you don't wish to receive, you can hold it down on it like this, and you can click on a move message. Right, so when you click on move, you can click on it again and choose the junk folder. So if you identify that this sender is, or this particular message is junk, you can move it to that folder so it doesn't stand in the way. That's the first thing. But you can as well hold down on it like this and click on the unsubscribe button or block contact. So if you get a lot of emails from a sender you don't want to receive emails from anymore, as I said, you can either block them or just unsubscribe from that mail service. So that's up to you. Of course, you can click on block the contact. Just you will not receive any calls, messages, or emails, or FaceTime even from that contact. So you can proceed it this way, and that's how you're gonna stop getting the junk mails on your iPad. Just keep in mind that you might as well be using different mail apps, like, this is the one from Apple. You can also use Gmail, but the principles are very similar across the apps. You can kind of like block the person in all of them and as well manage the junk folder. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I like to keep this video very quick, so I go straight to the point and don't waste any time. If you like this, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.